It's Coco and Terry. They're mating. Getting it on. You don't care to be on there. Did I disturb you? Hi, Coco. Go finish. Go finish. Go finish. Oh, you mad at me now? Are you mad at me now? I'm sorry. I love you. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Coco. Go get it. I'm sorry. Mama loves you. I thought I seen your babies today. Yes, I did. All right. Love you. Bye.